Hi, it's Darnell with Whalen Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some fresh wings in the Kalorik MAXX 16-quart air fryer oven. And we'll see how it does cooking up some fresh wings right now. So this recipe is going to be super simple, and so these are basically 4 fresh wings here. I forget how much they weigh, but 4 fresh wings. They're not very large size wings. I guess they're like pseudo average. This one's a little small, but from a local farmer here, pasture raised, good stuff. And I'm going to be using just some lemon pepper seasoning for this cook, some organic lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm going to see how these turn out with just this, just air frying them with just the lemon pepper seasoning. What I'm doing now, I'm just basically getting both sides of the chicken seasoned up, and I'm going to put them in with the backside down because I'm going to flip them over, Lord willing, partway through the cook, and then they'll come out with the tips sticking up, and hoping that I don't get any tips into the heating element. If you're one who's watched this channel a lot, you know I don't cut my tips. I like to keep tips on. So I've got the air fryer rack on the highest rack level. I've got the bake pan underneath. I really don't want to deal with the hassle of, I'm just getting a little of this extra seasoning here on the chicken here, but I really don't want to deal with the hassle of the temperature probes to track temperature and trying to configure those and all that. I just want to basically cook these up, and I'll just keep an eye on them, check them when I think they're done. Now I've turned the light off so that you can better see the display, and I'm hitting the air fry button, and I'm going to spin over to wings on the air fry. It says 450, 15 minutes. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and hit start and let them cook for a while. Maybe after 10 minutes, maybe I'll flip them over, or maybe sooner or later, but I don't know. I'll just keep an eye on things and go with how I feel based on how things are looking. But I'll bring it back later. Alright, 10 minutes have passed. I'm seeing some smoke coming out of the side. It's making me feel edgy about my smoke alarms, even though they haven't started making any noise yet. I'm starting to get concerned my smoke alarm is going to get a little edgy and upset about this situation, but just going to continue flipping these over and hope that things go okay. They look pretty well cooked on that side. You see the searing. You see the searing on that side there. It looks real good. I'm going to let this other side get cooked. I want them to look, nice and crisp on both sides. I'll get these tongs cleaned off and bring you on back in 5. Alright, so I just took a look at things in there. It's been like 12 minutes and things look pretty good. I think I'm going to just go ahead and test them out. Maybe stop early. Maybe after 12 minutes they're good and done. Let's see. Yeah, we're 190s. Look at that. And they look crisp. They got some nice searing on both sides. Yeah, I mean the ones in the back, no problem. That one there is over 200. Wow. That's pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the stop. Well, actually I can't hit the stop with things, I guess, open. It won't let me just turn things off like that. So, getting all of these out on the plate. Now I'm going to close up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so now it's off. Never did my smoke alarm go off. I did get, some smoke that came out the side just before turning. But after I turned, everything was cool. There was no more smoke issues after I turned things over. So everything turned out pretty nice. I'm going to take this one here. It's got some good, real nice searing on it on all sides. We'll do a taste test. So thank God for a cooked wing, cooked up from fresh, and I did let the cooker basically do its cool down thing, let the wing cool down a bit because didn't want to bite into 200 degrees or so. So let's go ahead and do a taste now. Turned out very good. One seasoning. Turned out very nice. Very good. Inside is moist, outside is crisp. I like it. So, in the video description, lots of ways to help the channel. Nothing in this video is sponsored. My cookbook, merch, memberships, donations, Amazon shop, referral link to the cooker, pay the same price, help the channel, all that good stuff. And so, also, you can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. There'll be a link to a printable version of the recipe in the video description. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.